Welcome to my channel Travel Guide. New orders, 787 updates, and big expansion. A Boeing Dreamliner update. The Boeing 787 Dreamliner continues to shape the aviation landscape with new orders, production updates, and ambitious expansion plans from airlines worldwide. As of April 2, 2025, the 787 program reflects Boeing's resilience amid challenges and its pivotal role in modern air travel. Below are 10 key points exploring recent developments, all within 900 words. Surge in new orders. The 787 remains a hot commodity. In late 2024, LATAM Airlines Group ordered 10 787-9s with options for 5 more, a deal potentially worth $3.7 billion. This follows United Airlines' massive 2023 order of 50 787-9s, plus 50 options, part of a broader 800 jet commitment through 2032. These orders underscore the Dreamliner's appeal for long-haul efficiency and passenger comfort. Variant popularity. 787-9 leads. The 787-9 dominates sales among the family's 3 variants, 787-8, 9, and 10, boasting higher capacity, 290 passengers, and range, 7,635 nautical miles, than the 787-8, and better range than the 787-10, 6,430 nautical miles. With over 1,900 total 787 orders by early 2025, the 9's versatility makes it the standout, while the 10 lags at around 14% of orders due to its shorter range. Production ramping up. Boeing is boosting 787 production after years of delays. By late 2023, output hit 4 per month, with plans to reach 5 by year-end and eventually 10 monthly. This follows a backlog of rework on 115 pre-2022 frames, with only 46 left undelivered by 2024's end, signaling smoother operations ahead. Delivery milestones. United took delivery of its first 787 since March 2023 in November 2024, a 787-9 in a "Future is SAF" livery highlighting sustainable aviation fuel efforts. This marked progress in United's 150-strong 787 order book. Meanwhile, Japan Airlines ZIPAIR plans to double its fleet to 20,000 787s by the early 2030s, starting with 2 more 787-8s by 2026. Technological enhancements. Boeing is enhancing the 787-9 and 10 with increased gross weight (IGW) variants, adding 4.6 and 6.4 metric tons of capacity, respectively. First pitched to Qantas and Air New Zealand in 2019, these upgrades boost payload and range, keeping the Dreamliner competitive against Airbus A350, though exact rollout dates remain unclear. Sustainability pushed. The 787's 25% fuel efficiency edge over older jets like the 767 aligns with industry sustainability goals. United's SAF-themed livery reflects this focus, while LATAM's CFO, Ramiro Alfonsín, noted the 787's efficiency supports their carbon footprint reduction as they aim for 52 Dreamliners by 2030. Expansion plans take flight. Airlines are leveraging the 787 for network growth. Zipair's expansion from 8 787-8s to include 10 larger 787-9s by 2030 will more than double capacity, targeting leisure routes like Japan to the US. Similarly, Korean Air's 2025 order for 2,787-10s and 2,777-9s, with options for 10 more 787s, aims to modernize its fleet for global reach. Challenges overcome. The 787 program faced hurdles, including quality control issues with fuselage sections and horizontal stabilizers, prompting FAA scrutiny in 2021. By 2024, Boeing resolved most rework, delivering 73 jets in 2023 alone. While past delays dented profitability, deferred costs peaked at $33 billion in 2016. The focus now is on efficiency and scale. Competitive landscape. The 787-10 struggles against the Airbus A350-900, which offers a longer range, 8,000 plus nautical miles. Emirates' 2019 switch from 787-10s to 3787-9s and 50 A350-900s highlighted this gap. However, Boeing's IGW upgrades could shift the tide, especially if the 10s range near 7,000 nautical miles, a threshold some predict could spike its popularity. Passenger experience boost. The 787's composite structure, larger windows, and advanced cabin tech continue to win over travelers. Over 900 million passengers have flown on 4.5 million 787 flights, with airlines like ANA, the launch customer with 50 jets in 2004, adding 20 more in 2020 for domestic and international growth. New routes, over 410 non-stops, showcase its flexibility. The Boeing 787 Dreamliner's story in 2025 is one of renewal and ambition. New orders from LATAM, United, and others signal strong demand, while production gains and tech upgrades bolster its future. Expansion plans from ZIPAIR, Korean Air, and beyond highlight its role in connecting the globe. Despite past turbulence, the 787's efficiency, range, and passenger appeal ensure it remains a cornerstone of aviation's next chapter, all in a sleek, carbon composite package. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.